Hi, I'm Don's Chelsea Guilty and I'm doing our project for Mec32. The problem stated that a rod is composed of an aluminum section rigidly attached between steel and bronze sections, as shown in the lower right side of the screen. Actual loads are applied at the positions indicated if P is equals to 3,000 pounds and the cross-sectional area of the rod is 0.5 inches squared. Determine the stress in each section. So in the problem, it is stated that the actual loads, which are this one and this one, are indicated. It is stated that if P is 3,000 pounds, so P would be 3,000 pounds. And then the area would be 0.5 inches squared. So the problem here is we have to find the stresses of the steel, aluminum, and bronze. So to get the formula, we have to get the stress, we are going to use this formula, P all over A, wherein P would be the normal load and A would be the area of the bars. So for steel, the load on the steel would be 12 newtons all over 0.5 inches squared. Dividing the values here would give us the value of 24 KSI. For aluminum, P would be also be 12, and then the inches is constant, which is 0.5 inches squared, which also would give us 24 KSI. Lastly, for bronze, we have 9 newtons all over 0.5 inches squared. The P is indicated here, which would finally give us the value of, this is bronze, of 18 KSI. So the values of steel, aluminum, and bronze would be 24 KSI, 24 KSI, and 18 KSI correspondingly. That's it. Thank you.